Documents4Me self-service form packages create unique shortcodes that can be added directly to your website, allowing users to request and complete form packages on their own. This seamless integration empowers users to independently access, fill out, and submit necessary forms, streamlining the document management process and reducing administrative workload. To begin creating a self-service form package, we'll need to create our form package. Select Admin, Content Types from the top menu. From the Type drop-down menu, select Form Package. To create a new form package, click the blue plus button. Give your form package a title or description. Under Content Type, select Form Package. Now, choose your workflow type. There are already some default workflow types in the system. We're going to choose Form Package with Review. Select your form preferences and choose tablet or email, depending on your needs. Now, select the forms you'd like to include in your form package. To include these forms in self-service packages, check the Show in Self-Service boxes. Finally, assign your package to the proper department and folder. Click the Save button to create. Now, we'll create a self-service form package by selecting Admin, Self-Service Forms from the top menu. We'll begin by clicking the blue plus button. Select your folder, then choose the index template. Choose your key index value, then select your form package. Choose whether or not you'd like to require a PIN to access the forms. Set your preferences for form completion and form type. Give your self-service form a title and insert the text you'd like to appear in different areas. Check or uncheck the index fields you'd like to show or hide. To finish, click Save. And there you have it. You've created a self-service form package with a unique link that can be inserted directly into your website, allowing users to easily access and submit forms. When the user has completed and submitted the forms, they will instantly show up in the task queue for review. Here, you can accept, reject, and add notes to the form package. Now, the form will be searchable in the system, ensuring that all submitted forms are easily retrievable and organized, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in managing your documents.